Hey gang, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. I'm very excited to be with you to talk a little bit about the car seat that you see next to me. So this is going to be the Andi from Maxi-Cosi, which is a 360 rotational car seat that they offer. Now Maxi-Cosi used to do a car seat called the ME 360. I hated that car seat. This is an improvement on that, but it still has some features, or like it still has some things that I would say could use improvement, but it's definitely a step up from the ME 360. So Andi 360 rotational car seat from Maxi-Cosi is what we're talking about in this video. This car seat will come with 2 cup holders. I do not have them attached onto here because when I do installation videos to show some of the different things it does, you do have to remove them, but it does come with them. And they're pretty cool because they can spin and you can have sippy cups that have handles fit on either side by turning them. They're removable, they're dishwashable, so very, very cool features there. You'll see the seat also has a lower pad in it. It would have an infant pad. I've already removed that. The nice part about this seat versus the old ME 360 is that the old one had really specific instructions on when to use the body wedge, so you had to use the pillow at really specific intervals. This new one, you don't have to worry about that so much. The language in the book is much looser. There's no weight recommendation for when the different pieces need to come in and out, aside from this guy, which comes out after 40 pounds. So the headpiece and the other body piece that's in here is meant for little baby, but again, you can remove it if you want to, and you definitely don't need to use it. It is just an extra piece. So a nice improvement over the old model, which was a huge reason why I disliked the old model. Now, talking about this guy, it will sit rear facing from 5 pounds up to 40 pounds. It will go forward facing from 30 pounds to 65 pounds. And there's also theoretically a booster seat from 40 pounds up to 100 pounds and 52 standing inches. As a car seat, they claim it tops out at 49 standing inches. So we will try different size kiddos in it to kind of see if that actually works. Because again, the seat is meant to be backward, forward, as well as a booster. So it's an all-in-one car seat going from 5 pounds theoretically to 100 pounds and 52 standing inches. Now, let's talk about some things that are a little bit unusual about it. It is rotational, so I do love that, which means that you can turn the seat toward you to load your baby in and out of the vehicle, which is very helpful. It's then easy to turn it backward, and then, you know, you've got that option for either door, any direction, anytime, very simple. So that's sort of the nice feature about the seat. The seat retails for $499. The material is easy to remove for washing. You do have a magnetic buckle, which is very cool. If you have a child with any type of medical device, like pacemaker or thing like that, you would definitely need to consult with your pediatrician before you would use that type of buckle, but it is very easy to do, so definitely really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this additional pad. And then the reason why I'm doing this is that I have a tape measure. Let's look at the seated torso height of this seat. So this seat has a seated torso height, it looks like, of about 15.5 inches. I would argue that's relatively short on a car seat, and I can prove it by showing some dolls in this seat. Now, why I say this, there's nothing wrong with the seat that's shorter, but if we take average sized children and put them in the seat, let's look and see how long of a use we would actually get out of it in the different modes. So I have my dolls. My first doll is going to be 16 months old and 31 inches. So this kid would definitely be in rear facing. So if I were having this in my middle row and this were installed, I would turn the seat toward the door, toward me. I would go ahead and unbuckle everything, and I would take my 16-month-old and I would be able to get them in the seat relatively easily, get the harness height around their body, the torso pieces, no problem. And then the lower buckle just fine. And then this kiddo, as you can see, you know, they're not perfectly buckled in right now, but they're a relatively good fit in the seat, and we would have this kid sitting backward, just like that. So very, very easy, simple, definitely works for small-bodied kiddos, like a 16-month kid that is 31 inches tall. So you can go ahead and loosen that, take them out, great, everything's easy. Now, let's talk about a growing-bodied kiddo. So that was our 16-month-old. If we take the seat and hook it up for a child that is 3, they're going to be taller. This is my 3-year-old, and my 3-year-old is 38 inches tall. So we'll go ahead and raise that headrest up to its tallest and put our kiddo in the seat and see where that shoulder harness height stacks up to their little 3-year-old body. So if I get them in here and I look at their shoulders, now if this kid were backward facing, this would be fine if this were a little lower, because then the shoulder straps can be at or slightly below their shoulders. If this kiddo is forward facing, we would want the shoulder straps to be at, which is here, that's at their shoulders or slightly above. So this kiddo at age 3 still probably has an additional inch to 1.25 inches of seated torso height to get taller. My argument here is that claiming that a kid that's 49 standing inches will fit into this with the 5-point harness, I don't think is a reasonable claim. But let's go ahead and grab that 6-year-old that's 48 inches to see if they're able to still use this seat as a 5-point harness. So if I take my 6-year-old, and she is 48 standing inches, and I put her in here, even with the headrest pulled up to its tallest spot, as the viewing audience is able to see, this is definitely a poor fit for a 48-inch tall child, especially as a 5-point harness. Now, the book indicates that as long as her ears are not like over the top of this, we could still use this as a booster seat. I'm not sure how comfortable that would be because the seatbelt would be coming from behind the body and then coming back up over. So again, the seat holds weight-wise the correct weights, but the overarching height of the seat is the part with the $500 that might be a little bit more difficult for me. So I'm just pointing this out to people. If you have a long-bodied kiddo, this seat might not be the best fit for you. If your average height or shorter, I don't think it's going to be problematic, but just something that we would want to point out when the seats make a claim to be all-in-one, how all-in-one are they actually? And so while the weight limits of this guy are great, you've got FR-free material. It's super easy to remove and wash. You get the 2 cup holders. It is a strong value. But again, would just want to point out to consumers that that seated torso height on a $500 all-in-one seat should generally be a little bit taller to accommodate bigger bodies more effectively. So hopefully seeing the dolls in there makes that clear for the viewing audience. But in general, the magnetic buckle closure is very cool. The installation for the seat is very straightforward. We did make installation videos for this guy. If you want to check that out, feel free to do that on our YouTube channel here. And as I mentioned, the backward from 5 to 40 pounds, for 19 to 40 inches tall. Forward facing, it'll go from 30 to 65 pounds. Kiddo would need to be 34 inches, 2 years old, and 40 through 49 inches tall in theory. And then again, booster seat, 43.4 inches up through 52 inches theoretically, provided their torso still fits in here. I'm not really sure how their body would look if that were the case, but on paper, that's what they are claiming. So if you have questions or comments about the Maxi-Cosi Andi 360, feel free to leave it below. If you want to order it, head on over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. You can check out the other colors. We do have it available. We can special order it for you and have it shipped right to your home at no additional charge. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully we will see you in our next video.